We're just outside of Boston and we've just listed this beautiful Quincy home, and I'm going to take you on a tour right now. I'm John Lynch with Dwell 360 Real Estate. Today we're inside this West Quincy home that's convenient to East Milton and downtown Boston. Has a lot of amenities near the house, along with the home having great amenities as well. That includes a beautiful fireplace in this front living room. Then we have a family room to show off. But before that, we're going to take a look at what could be a home office and your dining room. Look at this room. It's a great space, lots of sun. As you can see, there's vaulted ceilings, a large kitchen with gas cooking, plenty of cabinets, and you're overlooking the family room with a gas fireplace and access to the back deck. All of this is perfect for your summer entertaining. And here's that back deck that I mentioned. It's overlooking the yard, and you can see the wonderful shed that comes with the house. On the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms, including this great primary bedroom. If you need more space, there's a walkout basement that would be perfect for you to refinish. Otherwise, this home is pretty spectacular just the way it is, and the neighborhood is gorgeous. I hope you come visit it. I'm John Lynch with Dwell 360 Real Estate here in Quincy, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this home or any other home on the market, feel free to contact me.